Take a ride in the 2014 Durango. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: roof rack, body color door handles, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, power sunroof. Inside you'll find backup camera, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. The Durango allows you and your family to travel in style and comfort. It offers more interior room than most midsize SUVs and has an available third row of seating. Underneath are sturdy body-on-frame mechanicals and the option for a powerful V8 engine. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.